Hey there folks, just thought I'd make a quick video here. So, like so many other people, the powered mast on my 4runner has broken. I tried to buy a replacement for it. Bought this on Amazon. Functionally looks the same, but the teeth are a little bit different and it doesn't function correctly. So, I came up with a different solution. There's a few videos on YouTube that show how to upgrade your antenna to a whip antenna or to use an aftermarket style. So I took that information that I learned and did my own thing. I took this sliding tube off of it because the one on my existing antenna was damaged. So now that I have this piece separate from the vehicle, and I've got this stubby aftermarket antenna that I bought, I had some threaded rod and a couple nuts. Now, and then just a little bit of copper wire around it. So essentially, what happens is, this piece then gets mounted in here. So that piece gets mounted through there, and then the antenna threads on to the end of that. And this here then drops into the antenna port on the truck itself. Some of the tutorials show to remove this black ring, which is fine, but when you take this black ring off, there's nothing that holds the antenna in. So this will come out and slide back in, and there's nothing that holds it in place. So by using this threaded rod in there and leaving the ring intact, then this beauty ring is the part that actually holds the antenna in. So then that holds it in place and it prevents it from coming out. The only reason I have that copper wire in there is to keep the threaded rod centered inside the tube. So in order to get this to fit inside the antenna tube, you're going to have to grind down the nuts to a diameter that actually allows it to slide into the tube itself. I don't have the exact specs on the pitch and everything of this. It's just some rod and nuts that I had laying around from other projects. The nuts were a 7/16. So essentially just whatever your threaded rod you're going to use just needs to match the pitch of whatever antenna you choose to use. So there's the fully assembled unit ready to drop into place. And so I'll walk over to my truck and show you what that looks like. So there's the finished product. Looks pretty good on there, I think. No more wrecked, bent antenna. No more catching it on trees when I'm off-roading. Not too bad. Likely just bad enough.